Hello everyone, welcome to Christina Welch Art, and this is the auction preview for the auction that's going to take place Sunday, July 14th, 2019, starting at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The buyer pays shipping, and if you have not participated in the auctions previously, we ask, there's no pre-registration request or required. All we ask is that you send your shipping address if you win an auction bid to cwaliveauction@yahoo.com. We will then notify you and send you an invoice for your auction win along with the shipping charges. Just want to let you know the payment is due upon receipt of the actual invoice. So let's get started. We will be doing 40 paintings. The first painting up for bid is an 11 by 14. This is by Alan. It is a use of a blueberry lid from the YouTube Live, June 3rd. Starting bid is $10. Auction painting number 2 is a Christina original. This is an 8 by 20 using the cookie cutter from video number 388. Starting bid on this, $15. Third painting up for bid, also by Christina, is a 12 by 12 cloud pour from video number 389. Starting bid is $15. Painting number 4 is on a 12-inch round by Christina. This is a cloud reverse swipe from video number 399. Starting bid, $15. Auction painting number 5 is a 10 by 20 canvas. This is a gallery wrap canvas by Christina. This is a flip and drag from May 20th. Starting bid, $25. Auction painting number 6 is a 16-inch hexagon by Christina. This is a ring pour, also from the YouTube Live on May 20th. Starting bid, $15. Auction painting number 7 is by Alan. This is a 14 by 14, very bright, using a juicer. This is from YouTube Live, May 27th. Starting bid, $15. Painting number 8 is an 8 by 16 by Christina. This is a flip and drag from video number 394. Beautiful painting. Starting bid, $20. Painting number 9 is a 16-inch round by Christina. This is a reverse swipe. There is no video for this. The starting bid, $15. Look at the cells in that. Painting number 10, also by Christina. This is a 12 by 12 canvas, cloud pour, video number 382. Starting bid, $15. Auction item number 11 is by Christina. This is a 16-inch round, also with some great cells in it. This is a reverse swipe from YouTube Live, May 27th. Starting bid is $15. Auction item number 12 by Christina is an 8x16. This is a triple flip from video number 386.
With a balloon smash.
And this finished with a balloon smash. Starting bid, $15. Auction item number 13 is an 11x14 oval by Christina. This is also a flip and drag, video number 383. Starting bid, $20. Auction item number 14 by Christina. This is a 10x20 flip and drag from video on May 15th. Starting bid, $20. Auction item number 15 by Christina is a 16-inch hexagon Boilermaker, video May 19th, 2019. Starting bid, $20. Auction item 16 by Christina, 14x14 cloud pour. This is from YouTube Live, June 3rd. Starting bid, $15. Auction item number 17 is by Christina. It is also a cloud pour on a 12x12. Video date May 21st. Starting bid $15. Item number 18 by Christina is an 8x16 flip and drag. This is from YouTube Live, June 3rd. Starting bid, $15. Auction item number 19 is a 14x14 by Christina. This is a ring pour. Whoops, sorry about that, guys. Video number 391. Starting bid, $15. Auction item number 20 by Christina. Another 16-inch hex is a colander pour. Video number 382. Starting bid, $15. Auction item number 21. I'm going to throw a change up to you. This is by Alan. An 8x20 flip and drag from YouTube Live, June 3rd. Starting bid, $20. Auction item number 22. It's by Christina. This is a 16x20 oval. It's a sandcastle flip from May 20th. Starting bid, $25. Auction item number 23 by Christina is an 11x14 paint kiss. A lot of metallics in this one. This is from video number 393. Starting bid is $15. Auction item number 24 by Christina is a 10 by 10 gallery wrap canvas. This is a Dutch pour, YouTube live. Sorry about that. YouTube live on February 25th. Starting bid $25. Auction items number 25 are two 8 by 10 or 10 by 10 canvases. This is a cloud experiment with paints from video number 398. Starting bid $20 for the set. Auction item number 26 is another Christina original, 16 by 20. This is a dirty pour on video number 390. Starting bid $25. Auction item number 27 is a 16 by 20 Boilermaker, video number 384 by Christina. Starting bid $25. Auction item number 28 is a 14 by 14 by Christina. This is also a Boilermaker from video number 355. Starting bid $15.
Sure that's not an injection. Oh, okay.
Number 29. This is by Christina. It's a flip and drag. This is from video number 328. Sorry about that. Starting bid is $25. Auction item number 30 is a 10 by 20 by Christina. This is also a flip and drag. Video number 356. Starting bid is $20. Auction items number 31 are two 8 by 8s. These are a dip by Christina from video number 364. Starting bid for the set is $15. Auction item number 32 is a re-entry by Christina. This is a 12 by 12 injection. Video number 381. Starting bid is $15. Auction item number 33 is by Alan. This is a 12 by 16 using an ice cube tray on Alan's channel. Starting bid $15. Auction item number 34 is a 16 by 20 oval using an Unstoppables tray. This is from video number 351. Starting bid $20. Auction item number 35. This is by Alan. It is a 12 by 16 using napkin rings from April 15th YouTube Live. Starting bid $15. Auction item number 36 by Alan. This is a 14 by 14 using a calendar from YouTube Live April 22nd. Starting bid $15. Auction item number 37 is a 16-inch hex by Christina, a traveling ring, video number 359. Starting bid $15. Auction item number 38 by Christina is a 14 by 14 ring pour from March 11th. Starting bid $15. Auction item number 39. This is a large one, guys. This is a 12 by 24 by Christina. Multiple flip cups. Video number 400. Starting bid $25. And last but not least, auction item number 40 is a 10 by 20 flip and drag by Christina. This is on a gallery wrap canvas. Video number 395. Starting bid $25. So just a reminder, the auction will start Sunday, July 14th, 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Buyer pays shipping. If you haven't participated, you don't need to pre-register. You just enter your bids during the auction, and we'll be doing these in 1 minute and 30-second intervals. The winner will then be notified during the auction, and we ask that you send us your shipping information to cwaliveauction@yahoo.com, and then we will invoice you. Payment is expected at the time of receipt of the invoice, and we just like to thank you for supporting the channel, and we look forward to seeing you July 14th, 8 p.m. Thank you.